My name is 𝘧𝘍𝑜𝘍𝑢𝑥 and I work for Desjardins Industries. We are manufacturers of storage tanks for petroleum products. We are certified by ULC and Transport Canada, and we manufacture tanks with capacities from 100 liters to 150,000 liters. Like any business, we faced a labor shortage challenge. That is why we looked into the option of welding robots. For us specifically, what we wanted with robotization was to remove our standard products, the repetitive products, from our manual production line. We moved everything to a plant we call the Industry 4.0 plant, which we equipped with robots. We brought our standard products there to make them robotic and more automated. What we like about welding robots is that they set the production pace rather than a manual welder. So the sequence is repetitive. Our cost prices are more stable than with human labor.
Hello, my name is Patrick Chouinard. We looked at several robot suppliers and several robot brands. After that, we looked at who could meet our needs in terms of welding. We realized that AGT had quite a good expertise in welding, with welding technologists in-house. We called on their services, and they greatly helped us with the integration of our first welding robot. Our production improvement was marked by the quality of the weld we got on our tanks.
My name is Michael Roy, operator programmer at Industries Desjardins for 3 years. I am a welder by trade, and right now I let the robot weld in my place. For me, the main goal is to do the assembly and let the robot do the rest. A second thing that makes me love my work on the robotics side is that while the robot is working, I prepare my other parts, I prepare my paperwork. I look at everything I have to do as I go. That is where we are optimal. The after-sales support at AGT is really very good. It must be said that we haven't had to use it very often because we are quite autonomous when it comes to programming our robots. However, they gave us very good support regarding the manufacturing and design of the jigs. AGT Robotics, I would recommend them, yes, for their support, but also for technology that is more advanced than other companies for robotic welding. We are satisfied with AGT